Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Elma Oktamara with student ID number 1921048, Indonesia Language and Literature Education Study Program. In this video, I will explain about the present tense. Let's watch the video.
What is present tense? Present tense is a tense used to talk about something general, something that always happens repeatedly, or a general truth. The simple present tense is the tense that is most often used in everyday life. So, present tense used to express an event that is currently taking place. Present tense is divided into 4 parts, including 1. Simple present, 2. Present continuous, 3. Present perfect, 4. Present perfect continuous. What is the simple present? Simple present is event that occur in the present time in a simple form or a form of a verb to express past habits or event that occur at this time. Simple present is defined as a main function. 1. Happen in the present, terjadi di masa sekarang. 2. Habitual action, kebiasaan. 3. General truth or fakta. Seperti contoh, I go to school every day. Saya pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Menyatakan perbuatan yang dilakukan karena kebiasaan. We love Islam. Kita mencintai Islam. Menyatakan bahwa situasinya nggak berubah atau unchanged situation. A week has 7 days. Seminggu ada 7 hari. Menyatakan general truth atau kebenaran umum, fakta. Example of simple present. Untuk positif, subject plus verb 1, is or is plus object. Contohnya, she studies simple present tense. Untuk negatif, subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Contohnya, she does not study simple present tense. And interrogative, do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object plus interrogative mark. Contohnya, does she study simple present tense? Contoh lainnya yaitu I buy a pen and he buys a pen. Dua kalimat tersebut berbeda karena ada huruf S di kata buys di kalimat he buys a pen. Mengapa? Karena setelah kata kerja, jika subjeknya adalah he, she, and it, itu harus ditambahkan huruf S. Contoh kalimat negatif, I don't buy a pen and he doesn't buy a pen. Jika subjeknya he, she, it, maka kita menggunakan doesn't atau does not. Nah, kemudian perhatikan, setelah kata buy, kita tidak menambahkan akhiran S, tetapi kembali ke verb 1. Dan kalimat interrogatif, does he buy a pen? The second, present continuous. Sentences that describe activities that are taking place at the present moment or at the time of speaking. Kalimat yang menjelaskan aktivitas yang sedang berlangsung pada saat sekarang atau pada saat berbicara. Time signal of present continuous. There is now, at present, right now, this time, today, and this moment. Coba perhatikan tabel tersebut. Jika verbnya am, berarti subjeknya harus I, dan verbnya harus berakhiran ing, seperti going, working, teaching. Nah, jika verbnya is, berarti subjeknya boleh he, atau she, atau it. Nah, jika verbnya are, subjeknya harus we, or you, or they. Example of present continuous. Positive, subject plus to be plus verb in plus object. Contohnya, I'm speaking English now. Saya berbicara bahasa Inggris sekarang. Negative, subject plus to be plus not plus verb in plus object. Contohnya, I'm not speaking English now. And interrogative, subject plus to be plus not plus verb in plus object plus interrogative mark. Contohnya, am I speaking English now? The third, present perfect. Present perfect is a form of a verb that serves to express a job or action that has been completed but is still related to the present. Bentuk kata kerja yang berfungsi untuk menyatakan suatu pekerjaan atau tindakan yang telah selesai dikerjakan, namun masih berkaitan dengan masa sekarang. Present perfect dibentuk dengan auxiliary have atau has and verb to. Have untuk subjek I, you, they, we, and has untuk he, she, it. Example of present perfect. Positive, subject plus has or have plus verb to plus object. Example, she has eaten chicken rice. Negative, subject plus have or has plus not plus verb to plus object. She hasn't eaten chicken rice. And interrogative, have or has plus subject plus verb to plus object plus interrogative mark. Example, has the eaten chicken rice? The fourth, present perfect continuous. To state an event or activity that has been carried out and the activity is still ongoing. Untuk menyatakan sebuah kejadian atau aktivitas yang sudah dilakukan dan aktivitas tersebut masih berlangsung sampai saat ini. Agar tidak kebingungan, mari simak contoh ini. My father has been repairing the motorbike for 2 hours. Bapak saya telah memperbaiki motor selama 2 jam. Artinya, bapak saya sudah mulai memperbaiki motor sejak 2 jam yang lalu dan sekarang masih belum selesai dengan posisi masih memperbaikinya. Time signal of present perfect continuous. There is since and for. Perlu diingat penggunaan since dan for tergantung pada keterangan waktu dalam present perfect continuous. Example of present perfect continuous. Positive, subject plus has or have plus been plus verb in plus object. Example, we have been living in Semarang for 8 years. Negative, subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus verb in plus object. We haven't been living in Semarang for 8 years. And interrogative, have or has plus subject plus been plus verb in plus object plus interrogative mark. Example, have we been living in Semarang for 8 years?
That's the material regarding the present tense that I convey. Hopefully it can be useful. Sorry if there are still mistakes in speech or words. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time. Bye-bye.